OBS Bryce here. It's time for some Cummins upgrades and some love from Diesel Auto Power.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, but just kind of been getting things around the house all lined out. Started focusing my attention on the 12 valve a little bit because I am going to be modifying that. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but on Instagram I've been saying that I want to fully modify, or at least do what I'm going to do to the 12 valve in the truck, make sure it runs and drives and is great, and honestly maybe get a little excited for it, maybe get a motor out and in the OBS. But in the meantime, I can definitely have some fun with it, do some fueling upgrades, do a few other things, and enjoy it. So that being said, we got this box of goodies right here. First, we're gonna start off with some O24 Delivery Valves. Comes with the gaskets. I'm going to be doing an install video on all of this stuff. What I'm gonna do is do a mini series. I'm probably gonna do, like, I don't know, delivery valves and injectors and valve springs and head studs. And then I have a few other little bits and pieces that I'll probably do in a third video. And then a fourth video will probably be like everything completed with a drive, some little fun powder coated stuff that I want to bring to you guys that I'm going to do. So this is a Torque spring compressor. There's the adjustable overflow valve. Obviously, that spring compressor is for those guys. Those are 60-pound Diesel Auto Power valve springs. Then what do we got here? We have some Diesel Auto Power 120 injectors. These are some 5x13 SACs. So I'm really excited to put those in. As you can imagine, a 95 160 pump, automatic, two-wheel drive, is not much fun to drive. With the hood stack, it sounds fun, but it really isn't that great. So, and then here we go with the ARPs. Granted, for my power level, a lot of people will say, no, you don't need them, but leave a little bit of ceiling so I can potentially upgrade later. These will allow me to really move the timing up. I'm not sure if I want to go a single turbo or a compound setup right now, but it doesn't matter. These are good insurance. 60 pounds will come in handy if I want to compound it, keep those valves shut. What else we got here? We got a boost elbow. Well, I want to have some fun with the HX35, so the boost elbow is going to help. These are some Afc Springs. Those are going to help. Afc Spring kit. That's going to help get rid of that coil bind, allow me to tune the AFC housing a little bit better, try and get as clean as I can, you know, out of a mechanical motor. This is a number 10 fuel plate. And we have some 3K, 4K governor springs right here. And we have some stickers. So all this is a 500 horsepower package, I guess you could say. It's enough fuel to do whatever I want to do around a 500 horsepower limit. So, you know, compounds will get me there, single will get me there. I already put out a video talking about turbos. I think I already made a decision anyways. I have enough injector, I have everything else. The only thing I didn't show you is I have OEM Cummins valve cover gaskets and OEM Cummins valve stem seals, intake and exhaust. But like I said, I want to do a little mini series, probably just do a couple installs at a time in each video, keep them kind of short and sweet. I've been doing a little bit of research on a lot of the videos that are out there, kind of seeing what some have and some don't. And I kind of want to make one video to somebody who has no idea about a 12 valve, can pull it up, watch it, start to finish, and be like, I got this. Because this stuff really isn't that difficult. It's if you have any sort of common sense, you can probably get this stuff done. It is a little intimidating. This stuff really isn't rocket science. So they gave me a bunch of goodies. They gave me some hats, some big stickers. This is the word of my people. More stickers, a ton of lanyards, some koozies. I'm gonna keep at least one of those for myself. A bunch of turbo air fresheners. And there's some more stickers down there. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to give some of that stuff away. Sticker, lanyard, and then a couple guys, I'll throw in something else. Just go ahead and leave a comment below. You follow me and follow Diesel Auto Power on Instagram. No cost, nothing to you guys. I'll just put them in a little envelope, little baggie, whatever, and send them out to y'all. Lower 48, no Canada, maybe Hawaii, depends on who you are. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I just give away some stickers, throw a lanyard in there, and a couple guys will get something extra. But just if you haven't checked out Diesel Auto Power, what are you guys waiting for? I bought a Quadzilla there for my 24 valve a few years ago. Super happy with that. I have numerous friends that have always told me about Diesel Auto Power. When it was time to get the 12 valve goodies, that's where I needed to go, and I'm here. So if you guys are looking for anything 12 valve, 24 valve, power stroke, they even have some Duramax stuff on there. Look no further. Definitely hit up Diesel Auto Power. Tell them I sent you. And if you want some of this swag, leave a comment. I guess I'll end the video with just saying thanks to Connor and Jacob over at Diesel Auto Power. And now it's time to get busy in the garage and show you guys what I could do. Later.